destroy everything. Wasn't much of a choice.
Seems like we don't have one now either. So what's the plan?
Simple. We find a way to turn this situation to our advantage.
Twinkie, get out of the way. Twinkie, get out of the way, man. Get your fat ass out of the way.
Wonder Woman, this is Green Lantern. What's going on?
I'll tell you what's going on, Green Lantern.
Who are you?
Name's Jax. And now that the introductions are out of the way, we're shutting you down.
Can you see the dot on the
Fight!